In today's video, I'll show you how to find free and cheap games on Steam super easy. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. The first thing you want to do is open up Steam. Once you're on the store page, you simply click on the search icon without doing anything else. It will open up this right here, and you want to go to the discounts and events. You want to check that box right here, and you want to move this slider all the way to the left where it says free. And this is how you can find a free game on Steam that is currently available to claim. As you can see right now, The Life and Suffering of Sir Brandt is free forever. So you can click on that right here, and there will be a claim button right there. Because I already claimed it, I don't see it, but usually if you don't, you will see it right there. Now, if we go back, you can also see there's a DLC, but I don't own this game, so I can't really claim it. You can check this every now and then to see if there's a free game. Just like I post on my TikTok and Instagram, where I have almost 200,000 followers, I post these like free and cheap game alerts, and it does really well. People don't really know how to find them, so my videos help them out. Now, if you want to find a cheap game or like a game that is available for just like under 5 euros or under 10 euros, you simply want to move this slider a bit to the right. Now it's under 5 euros. If you have it in dollars, it will show it in dollars. And then you can simply find a good discount that is, for example, 85% or 90%, even better. And then right now, there's currently nothing that good because Steam Summer Sale ended just recently. If you want to go 10, you simply move it a bit to the right. And now you'll see everything under $10 or 10 euros. For example, NBA 2K26 is on its biggest sale right now. And just like all the other games right there. And that's how you can find the cheap and free games on Steam using a simple slider, and it doesn't take you more than like 30 seconds or a minute. If you guys did like this video, make sure to drop a like. YouTube thinks this video will be great for you, so check it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.